Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're working on the vacuum assist connecting from the carburetor to the distributor. So join me in the adventure as we hook this up. So the former owner didn't have a vacuum assist on his distributor, but mine, which I put on here, needs it. So we are going to put it on. It's not that size. Thought it was. There it goes. Just didn't have it lined up right. So we're going to take this out, hopefully. That's the plan, at least. Not drop it. Just a little plug. And we're going to try to get this thing to kind of line up and get in there. Just getting the right angle. Get that first thread started. Don't know why it won't start. Well, that's just not working. At all. So what we're going to do, take this thing out of here and disconnect that fitting. See if we can't get that fitting just to fit on by itself. Alright, so we just got the fitting now. And that goes right on there. Kind of. Ain't great. Alright, so it's on there. Now we're going to put the line on there. I think it just has a weird angle to it. And so just doesn't want to behave. And mine didn't have all this crossover like that before. I think it started. Alright, we're going to call well enough alone, leave well enough alone there. We're going to go on the back side and work on that. Alright, so it's way up here now. I went back over and loosened it up a little bit. But yeah, we got all of our wires in the way. Kind of. So we're going to move those as we need. We kind of got it weaved through all this. Now we're just kind of bending because it's hitting here on the distributor, and it's not quite getting to where we need it to be. tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it loose from the other side, get this one in, and get that one in. All right, so we got it loose, and work on getting that freed up a little bit. It's got gunk in there, something. I'm gonna spray something down there and then do it. All right, so we're gonna leave it kind of loose. Bend it up around that distributor through here, and I'll move it around to the other side. All right, so here's the challenge. We gotta get from here to there. Alright, so I'm just trying to get it over here. There we go. I don't know where that came from. There it is. Now we gotta tighten that thing down. Alrighty. I'm gonna try to get it back over there now that we moved it up a little bit. And it got in. So we're gonna tighten that down. That's that. We're going to tighten up the other side and we should be done. So we're just going to tighten this down now that we kind of got it where we want it. There we go. There we go. That's it. Well, that about does it for the day. I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully this helps you. Y'all take care. It's time for supper. Sometimes we have little friends to help us. Looks like he's sleeping right now. Good looking little fella. We'll leave him alone.